How to delete YouTube channel permanently. Hi everyone, in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel. So let's begin by navigating to youtube.com on your preferred web browser, and log into your account. Next, click the profile picture at the top right corner. Then from the drop-down menu, click on Switch Account, and select the channel that you want to delete. Once the channel is selected, click the profile picture again, and select YouTube Studio. Now click on the Settings tab in the left side menu. Once here, click on Channel. Next, click Advanced Settings. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and select Remove YouTube Content. After clicking Remove YouTube Content, you may be asked to confirm your identity by entering your password. And once you reach this page, you will have two options: I want to hide my content, and I want to permanently delete my content. To delete your YouTube channel, select I want to permanently delete my content. Remember that deleting your YouTube channel will permanently delete the data associated with it. If you understand and still want to continue, check the boxes and hit Delete My Content. This is your final confirmation before your channel is permanently deleted. If you're absolutely certain, type in your channel name or email address exactly as it appears, and then click on the Delete My Content button. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.